Hello friends, this is Working Man Dan with the Homestead Institute. Here to show you how to plant asparagus. I've been working hard out here with some of my helpers. These are some of my kids, Aaliyah, Brinley, Liberty, and Canyon. They and their beautiful mother have been helping me dig this trench. You want to tell them hi, guys?
Hi!
They've been working hard, so they're going to go water up now while I show you how to plant asparagus. So, there's a few good things to know about asparagus. This is a 1-year-old asparagus crown. Asparagus works by storing energy in the roots, and in the spring when it starts to grow, you're breaking off the plant and eating it. And when it starts to be depleted of energy, you let it grow and replenish the energy stores for the following year. So to plant asparagus, it's important that you dig a good trench. 8 to 12 inches deep. The deeper it is, the longer lived it'll be, the more work it is, and it'll take a little longer to fill in the trench. Then you want to take some phosphorus fertilizer. It's really good for building roots, and scatter it along the bottom of the trench. It won't burn your roots, and it'll give them the energy they need for many years to give you some good fresh produce in the spring. The next thing you do is to take your crown and lay it in the trench. Like so, with the roots going in all directions. And then you bury it completely, but only 2 or 3 inches deep. I've got pretty rocky soil in this place, so I'm throwing out the bigger rocks. But as you can see, my trench isn't full. Some people will fill the trench all the way up, which is fine, but that young crown has to use every bit of energy it has to try to just get out of the ground. And if you'll actually bury it just 2 or 3 inches deep and let it grow up and get out of the soil and start building energy, and then put another inch or two on it, and within the next month or two we can have this trench completely full and let it grow for the rest of the summer, building energy for next year. And as long as they've been healthy this year, you can pick them for a week or two next year, just get a little taste of your crop, but then let them build more reserves for the third summer. And that third summer you should be able to pick asparagus for around 6 weeks. You pick them when the good thick spears, and when the spear diameter starts shrinking and getting small, you know that crown is weakening, and that's when you want to quit harvesting and let it replenish for the following year. So that's a few tips on planting asparagus. I hope you learned a couple of things and that you're able to grow some good food for the future. Have a good day.